13.5 miles at 25K and 2,000 feet of climbing. And today I'm supposed to run or at least power hike the hills. Everything else is supposed to be easy, which is my zone 2 heart rate training. So gonna take you with me. Got like an hour before I'm there. It's 10:20. Got my rain jacket. I'm bringing my pack. Probably don't need it, but especially when you're out by yourself. I got my water filter, and I'm bringing in a little bit of water and a couple snacks just in case, but should be fun.
The destination is on your right.
Okay, here we are, Morgan Trailhead. It's actually very cold up here, so I threw the jacket on. Hopefully, I mean, this jacket gets pretty warm when I start moving, so hopefully I'm dressed well enough for up here. So as I wait for my heart rate to adjust here, I'm already over where I'm supposed to be, 152. Every run I've been doing has been relatively easy, pace-wise, and usually I'd be pushing a little more and my recovery would suffer for it. I've been doing 50+ mile weeks this month, and I feel pretty good so far, knock on wood. Did this trail a couple weeks ago with my friend Steve, but we just did the Morgan Trail, and it connects back down to the 74, the Ortega Highway, at the candy shop down there. And it's a great trail, but I'd never been up here before. Super easy to run, not too technical. We'll see what the turnoff to Tenaja Falls is like. Okay, now that the jacket's off, it's probably gonna start dumping buckets on me. We'll see, that's the way things go. Just barely hit 2 miles, and here we go, going up that way. So, where am I getting these? I've got to do this thing today. I've got to do that thing. Where am I getting this data from? I hired a coach on the very good recommendation from my buddy Mike. Hey Mike. I hired a coach for Cocodona. It's kind of uncharted territory for a lot of my friends and peers, and he's helped me a great deal with my ultra running, with advice and training help. And he's like, you know, this multi-day stuff is a little out of my realm. I really think you should hire a coach. So that's what I did. And so far it's been great. I hired Peter Mortimer. He got second place at Cocodona the inaugural year. He's an overall badass. He's done a few 200s and done well in them, and he knows that course like the back of his hand. And if you've had a coach before for this kind of stuff, you might be familiar with the app Training Peaks. I was not. He told me to get that app, and that's where he loads my schedule. So I look every day basically and plan out where I'm gonna go. Some of those runs have been harder than others. Like yesterday, for example, I was supposed to do a run for 2 hours and get 2,000 feet of climbing and stay in zone 2. And it was like, I kept saying it was like a evil game of Twister. But I got 2 out of 3. I got 2,000 feet of climbing yesterday, and I stayed in zone 2 more or less. But I was out for almost 3 hours, so sorry, coach. Anyway, have you ever had a coach before? What was your experience like? Would you do it again? Any advice? How to maximize what you get out of it? Let me know. Throw it in the comments. Tell me about your coaching experience. Okay, so this is uncharted territory for me, and so far this trail is maybe a little less traveled. Looks like maybe some recent trail work, I don't know, but a little washed out, so that's okay. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. It gets heavy. Out comes the jacket. Try to stay warm. More so dry. What are you doing today? What? Stumbled on that just now. I was like, whoa! Morning trail, 2 miles that way. Tenaja Falls, 3 miles this way. 5 miles in, just a bit over 2, closer to 3 to the turnaround. Watched that movie Midsummer last night. My wife's like all of a sudden into like horror films, which is like a 180 from the things that she is has normally been into. But anyway, that last section, even though it looks nothing like Sweden where the movie takes place, it was just creeping me out a little bit. Like, very haunted looking. This is a rad trail. I would 100% do this again. Take note that I'm saying that now before I've climbed out. I'm not even halfway in yet. Down here, I recognize the color of that dirt back there. Yep, this is it. Tenaja Falls. So yesterday we came from this direction down and saw the trail going that way. And oddly enough, based on my training, I was like looking on all trails for 25K with 2,000 feet of climbing. What was the first hit? Morgan Trail head to Tenaja Falls. Here we are. Yesterday, Steve and I jumped in the water and it was epic. Maybe I'll throw that Instagram video, or I might still have it on my phone on this YouTube video so you can see it, but boy, was that water cold. Whew. Show you where we jumped in. It was right down here. Look at that. And yeah, we came from the Tenaja Falls trailhead down there, but we ran down along the other side of this ridge and then up here. It's really close to the trailhead, as you can see. A lot of it was on like Jeep road and asphalt. So. Now begins the trek out. Okay, so I only have 732 feet of gain, but look at my loss, 1959. So that's what I'm gonna gain back right now, since this is an out and back. Here we go. This heart rate training is making the recovery feel so much easier. Definitely making these longer mile days feel easier, even if they take longer. But I mean, who cares when you're out here, right? As long as you don't get caught in the dark. It's pretty out here. Just hit 10 miles, 5.5 to go, and I'm coming in to the creepy section again. I was getting a little chilly, so I hit the incline. All right, just hit 14 miles, which means 1.5 to go, and I'm done. It's only 2:45 in the afternoon, but look how dark it's getting. It's time to get out of here and get in my truck and turn the heater on. Sounds great. Okay, one might say, yay, we're back, we're done. But I'm at 5.19 and I need to be at 5.5, or 15.19, and I need to be at 15.5. So that means we gotta do a little extra. Yay for extra. And yes, I'm running the extra on the road. Don't judge me. I was really dreading this, having to do extra. It's always hard when you get to your truck or vehicle and you're not done, you gotta pass it. And then I was like, dude, quit your complaining. It's half a mile. Come on. And I kind of snapped myself out of it. So. So anyway, yeah, snap yourself out of it when you're feeling low. That's the moral. And boom, there we go. 25K done. Look at these jerks. Don't be a jerk. Okay, I just picked this up. Literally, there's a trash can right there. Leave it better than you found it. It's the only way. If you enjoyed this, I really would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hey, I just hit 100, only 900 to go, 100 subscribers. So thank you if you're a subscriber, I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up would be wonderful. And also, check out Roy's running shorts. I just started doing YouTube shorts, and that's what I'm calling them, Roy's running shorts. I hope you like my running shorts. All right, peace out.